Hi, you are watching PDMS tutorial. In this lesson we will learn how to modify standard equipment according to construction drawing. So here we can modify anything. Here is vessel, vertical heat exchanger, air cooler, and here centrifugal pump. For now we will modify this centrifugal pump according to this drawing. This is drawing and we can modify it. So here our selection should be on this pump and go to modify property. Here is all measurement is given. So base plate length is 1400. So from here to here distance is A. So we will look in our drawing. So it is 1390. So we will modify it 1390. Base plate width B. We will look for B. Here is B width. So we will look in drawing. Width is 510. So we will change it. Base plate 510. Distance to origin base plate C. So here is C, here to here distance is C. So here is here is the distance. So here it is a distance misprinted. We want distance from here to here, so we need calculator. It is 44 plus 133, 177. So C distance will be 177. Distance to suction nozzle. This is from here to here. This is 155. So no need to change. Here is already 155. E. Distance bottom to CI. Here to here. So here is given 310. So 310. F. We need F. Discharge nozzle height is 180. So no need to change, it is already 180. Discharge suction nozzle to coupling, this distance. So here it is 515. This distance 515. Outside diameter discharge. So our outside diameter is this vertical. So vertical nozzle is N2. N2 here is 50 NB, means nominal bore size is 50. So here it is 60. That is correct. Then apply, dismiss. So here we have modified this pump. Now we need to change the nozzle as per the specification. Here is the specification. Nominal size bore is 150. So here we will change the nozzle specification. So here it is not selecting anything. So just go to this and element and select this. Navigate to element and then click this. Now we can modify it. Just go to modify, go to nozzle specification, and here see we want 300 rating, nominal size 100. So N1 is here, N1 nominal bore size is 100. So here give 300 and nominal bore size is 100. Just apply and dismiss. So it is modified, and click this, then go to modify nozzle specification, and then see this discharge 50. So here is already 50 and 300 RF. Just apply. 50, then apply. So it is modified according to our construction drawing. You can modify anything like this. If you want to modify this pressure vessel, so you can modify it. Just click on equipment, modify property, you will see, and you have to give these distances as per your drawing. Here is feet, you can give feet distance. You can modify anything like this, any standard equipment. So keep practice these commands, and if you like my videos, then like and subscribe. Thank you.